Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a sushi burger. Start by pressing sushi rice into firm patties using plastic wrap and a ring mold. Keep rice slightly warm and moisten hands to prevent sticking. Layer nori, rice patty, salmon, avocado, and more rice, then press gently to seal. Slice carefully with a sharp, wet knife and enjoy the crunchy and soft texture in each bite every time. Measure and rinse your rice thoroughly, then cook it to a slightly sticky finish for shaping. Cool the rice to room temperature and fold in seasoned rice vinegar gently so grains stay intact. Prepare thin slices of fish, avocado, and vegetables so they layer cleanly in the burger. Keep a bowl of vinegar water handy to wet your knife between cuts for perfect slices without tearing or sticking. Start assembly by lining your mold with plastic and a nori strip if desired, then press a rice patty firmly into the base. Add fish, avocado, cucumber, and condiments in even layers, then cap with the second rice patty and press gently to fuse. Remove the mold, wrap, and let sit briefly to set. Cut with a wet sharp knife and serve with soy, wasabi, and ginger for a satisfying handheld sushi experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.